Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 1800, maximum ascending subarray sum in JavaScript. This is given an array of positive integer nums. Return the maximum possible sum of a strictly increasing subarray in nums. Subarray is defined as a contiguous sequence of numbers in an array. All right. So if we're given this array, we have two subarrays that are increasing. We have 10, 20, and 30, which gives us 60, and we have 5, 10, 50, which is 65. So 65 is greater. 60 would return 65. We can look at this one here. The whole thing's ascending, so we add the whole thing up. All right? That's basically it. Pretty easy to understand. So we're going to grab this. Let's create our function. And I'll use the console. All right. So there is one edge case that we're going to take care of right away, and that is the code that I wrote isn't going to work for this edge case, and that's just simply if we only have one number in nums, we just return that number. So we can have an if check right at the beginning. This is if nums.length equals 1. We return nums at 0. There you go. All right, let's grab this variable again. Let's work with this one now. All right, so what we can do is create a result variable. Set it to 0, and create a temp variable, and set it to the first number in nums. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to loop through. Oops, not let for 0, so we're going to loop through nums if I is less than nums.length I plus plus. Now again, have an if else statement. So we're going to have three scenarios. First, I'm going to say if nums at I is greater than nums at I minus 1. And we're at the last element of the array. So and I equals nums.length. There's our first scenario. Our second is going to be if nums at I is less than or equal to nums at I minus 1, and then the last one will just be if it's greater. At the end of the day, we're going to return result. All right, so if it's just greater, all we got to do is we're going to increment temp by nums at I. If it's less than or equal, we're going to have an if check, and we're going to say if temp is less than result. I'm sorry, temp is greater than result. can reassign result as temp. And then we want to reassign temp to equal nums at I. Okay. So last thing we need to do is we need to, did I do something wrong here? No, that's cool. Last thing we need to do here is for here, right? We need to say temp plus equal nums at I. And then if, and then we just need to grab this here. Oh, and this needs to be -1. All right, that is not correct. What did I do wrong here? Not sure where I went wrong here. Oh, I know. Because we already have, we start with temp as nums at 0, so we need to start here. There we go. All right, so let's grab all our code, copy it, paste it into Leetcode. Let's go ahead and submit it. Here you go. All right, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again real soon.